Hey family, this is Yoli D. Listen, I'm about to show y'all some goodness. Look here. First off, let me show you the rice. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yellow rice. Just yellow rice, y'all. But let me tell you, it ain't about the rice. It's about what gonna go on the rice. Let me show y'all some goodness right here. Y'all look at that. What? Girl. Look at. Girl, that is some good eating right there. What you talking about? Look at that. Look at that. That's some good eating, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but this is about to go down. I gotta make a video how I did this, y'all, but right now